CarStory research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction. A good deal. Features also include heated seats, keyless entry, halogen headlamps, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2016 Outlander Sport. The all-new Outlander Sport features a fuel-efficient engine paired to either a 5-speed manual or a continuously variable transmission, and comfortable accommodations for 5. Passengers will be treated to a refined ride in comfortable surroundings with a host of welcome features, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.